This is a piano tutorial on an old Beatles tune that if you're an old Beatles fan like me, you know, Let It Be. And I'm showing this to you because it's very easy to play, even as an absolute beginners, because there are only 4 chords in the song, and they are all formed with the same formation with your hands. So what I'm going to do is, I'm first going to show you how to play it as a piano accompanist. Now I should tell you, I transposed my keyboard down here 6 notes so that I could sing this in that key. And if you've got an electronic keyboard, that's very easy to do. If you don't and you're playing it, it's going to be a lot higher than what I am playing right here, but the formation with your hand would be the same. If you've got a higher voice, you'll be just fine. So, but if you have an electronic keyboard, I would encourage you to use that transpose button, transpose it down 6 notes if you've got an average voice like mine, and it'll be nice and low so you can sing it. And I'm assuming that if you're doing this lesson that you're comfortable enough to do that. If not, I'm going to be showing you another lesson here shortly that will be showing you how to play the melody in your right hand, so you can do it either way. But this is playing it as a piano accompanist, and here are the 4 chords. The first one is a C major chord. This is middle C right here, even though it's a lot lower than your middle C on your piano. That's a C chord. Now, all the chords you're going to be doing every other white key, just like I'm doing right now. So that's what makes it very easy. So that's your C chord, C, E, and G. When I move to the G chord, I just move my thumb down to G. That's G, B, and D. When I go to the F chord, I go down 1 more. It's F, A, and C. And you'll notice I'm up on the tips of my fingers. That's how you want to be playing. The only other chord is the A minor chord. And that's up here, A, C, and E. So those are the 4 chords. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sing this. I'm going to play 2 chords per measure. And this is what it sounds like. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. And I think you can see how easy that is with those 4 chords. Now the only other thing you need as a piano accompanist is you need the root note of the chord down low as a bass note to give it a bottom to it. So when I'm playing a C chord, I use that C note right there as my bass note. When I go to the F chord or G chord, I move my bass note down to G. On F, there's my F note, and when I do A minor, it's that. So that's an easy way to help you remember the chord too. This is going to be a C chord, a G chord, F, A minor, and that's the root note on the bottom. So this is what it sounds like that. By the way, I'm also using my sustain pedal. You may have noticed that. It kind of makes it a little bit smoother. So just make sure that when you change chords, you lift your foot up and put it back down again so that it sounds okay when you do that. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she's standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be. Let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. that's the whole song. I just did the first verse and the chorus, but you just repeat that for the second verse and the chorus as you wish. So that's playing Let It Be as a piano accompanist.